Ito na ang Redmi Note 12T Pro and sasabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit sulit ang iyong 12,000 pesos dito sa smartphone na ito. Ang Redmi Note 12T Pro is equipped with a 64MP na main camera sensor. Meron din siya 144Hz na screen refresh rate together with a MediaTek Dimensity na 8200 Ultra. I'm sure may enjoy mo ang bakbakan dito sa phone na ito on a whole new na ito. Tara, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang quick unboxing nitong phone na ito. So itong phone na ito, pag tinignan mo kanyang design, honestly, I'm not impressed with it. Kasi ang design niya is medyo makaluma. E mapapansin mo sa ibang brands like si Infinix at si Tecno, todo nag-step up. Ang gaganda ng kanyang design, mala iPhone na itsura nila. Ito si Redmi Note 12T series, medyo stuck in the past pa ang kanyang design. And ang likod niya is just plastic finish, plastic frames, and I'm not quite sure kung anong Corning Gorilla Glass protection meron na ito. E makita mo ang kanyang bezel is medyo makapal, kaya itong phone na ito only has a 85% screen to body ratio. Despite the phone na ito is a IPS LCD, it has a 144Hz na screen refresh rate to compensate for it. And it's also powered by Dolby Vision, so makita mo yung mga colors niya mas matingkad. Sa opinion ko lang any phone na below 900 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness might be a little bit hard for you to read under the direct sunlight. Na kung mahilig ka sa social media, nasa-scroll ka on your feeds, sa reels, sa shorts, I'm sure na sobrang smooth siya. Kaya ako lagi nakaset ako sa kung anong maximum refresh rate na kaya ng isang phone. And the phone na ito has a Wi-Fi level 1 security level. So if you were watching mga favorite shows mo on YouTube, on Netflix, I'm sure you'll be able to enjoy it on HD. Now, like I said guys, itong phone na ito is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra. Alam naman natin in the past itong chip na ito na na-review natin, quite powerful naman siya. Pagdating naman sa multitasking sa phone na ito, maning-manila sa kanya. And pag kinonsultan natin si Antutu benchmark, 872,000 points na nakuha niya dito. Pagdating naman sa Wildlife Extreme Test, makita mo maganda naman kanyang score. Pero yung kanyang stability is only at 77%. Pagdating naman sa thermal throttling, makita mo almost all green and nag-throttle siya to 88% ng kanyang maximum performance. On Call of Duty Mobile, playing on all high settings, ang gameplay is quite good. Smooth siya, wala kang mapapansin na lag, especially ang kanyang loudspeaker is quite loud, so you'll be able to hear every footstep ng iyong kalaban. Sa Firelight 84 naman, nilagyan natin sa all extreme na settings, okay naman siya in the first few minutes. But as you play along, mapapansin mo talaga medyo nalalag na siya konti dito. You probably have to set it a little bit lower than the highest graphical settings para medyo mas hindi ganun kalag itong game na ito. Ang battery nito phone na ito is quite good. Okay na okay ang kind of 5,000 mAh na battery. It would last you the whole day on a normal usage. Pero kung extreme gamer ka, saglit lang siguro, kailangan mo na mag-charge. Ang charging time nito phone na ito is under 40 minutes dahil sa kanyang 67 watts na fast charging rate. Itong phone na ito has triple camera setup and it has a 64MP na main camera sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide and 2MP na macro. And ang kanyang selfie camera is a 16MP na front-facing camera. And the front one can only shoot up to 1080 and 60 and sa likod can shoot up to 4K and 30. Let's start off with the main camera sensor. So I did try to put this one on the test. Naka-turn off ang AI. Pag zoom in mo dito sa mga bato na ito, you would really see the details ng bato dito, which is quite good. And tinry ko rin naman kumuha ng some flower shots dito. Makita mo na parang nothing different dito sa photo niya. But if you zoom it here, mapapansin mo no, pati mga langgam clear pa rin dito sa kanyang shot, which is quite good for a 64MP na camera shots. And pagdating naman sa indoors, nakakuha naman tayo ng mga portrait shot. Makita mo yung background niya, ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-blur. And hindi mo makita na nag-blur out konti ang kanyang mga edges, no? And makita mo dito sa shot na ito, litaw na litaw ka ng color, which is really nice if you want to post on Instagram and on your Facebook. stage. And if you have a really nice lighting tulad dito sa loob ng bench, you would be able to capture some really nice shot and dramatic like this one. If you zoom it closer, makita mo yung mga tahi dito sa kanyang hat, which is really nice. So nilaro naman natin ang ultra-wide lens and ang kanyang zoom lens. Ang ganda naman ng shot nito, very clear, makita mo yung mga shots sa sky. Kitang-kita pa rin mga details nun. Yung kanina, hindi mo makikita yung nasa likod ng karatula. Pag zoom in mo using the 2x zoom shot, mababasa mo na siya right now and it's security back. Now again, another shot using the ultra-wide lens. Ito normal lens. And this is the 2x zoom shot. Mag-zoom in mo, pati mga details dito sa cloud, it's preserved. Selfie shots are normal, nothing really special, pero makita mo, preserve ang mga details dito sa aking mukha, which is quite good when you're taking it outdoors. Now, pagdating mo sa indoor, I was able to take this good shot and litaw na litaw ako dito. No? You would see the parang separation ng background sa foreground. Taking a 1080p 60 video, this is what you'll see if you're trying to vlog on indoors. Mapapansin mo, no, yung biglang shift ng color niya is medyo nag-a-adjust ang kanyang camera sa kanyang lighting. Okay na okay itong rear camera niya. Quite nice ang kanyang color. It was able to capture really this nice video. Maganda siya paggawa ng TikTok videos and quite stable din ang kanyang camera. So guys, itong Redmi Note 12T Pro is currently priced at around 12,000 pesos. Ang kanyang 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. I'll be linking on the description box below kung saan ko ito nabili. And anong tingin ko dito sa phone na ito? Masusulit mo nga ba ang iyong 12,000 pesos dito? For me, yes and a no. Yes, dahil okay ang kanyang gaming experience dito. Ang camera experience is quite good. And no, dahil ang kanyang design is medyo makaluma na. Hindi siya in na in tulad ng mga ibang phones. And if you're okay with the older design like this one, this is definitely a good buy for your 12,000 pesos. So guys, I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito and sana nakatulong ako sa inyo pagpili ng iyong bagong daily driver. And if you want to keep watching, meron akong mga videos dito na ipopost na you might be interested. And if you like this video, a sub to this channel would be appreciated. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?